Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette along with Malabar with Be Creative, and we're headed to the beach today. With everything going on in our life, it's been a while since we've been to the beach, and today we are hunting for a perfect seashell. The low tide is actually the best time to look for shells, and we went there early in the morning, and at first we didn't really find that many shells. But the ones we did find were pretty cool. Just came from the beach and got a big old bag of shells. And now I'm cleaning them. So I've got them all cleaned and semi-sorted. I need to do some more sorting. All of these have holes in them. Some of these would be great for mobiles. And look, we even found some sea glass. This is a first for me. Usually Cocoa Beach does not have a whole lot of sea glass. I mean, it has some obviously, but not a lot. I actually got more than I realized. So we came home and Malabar was looking through and she wanted to have something made with a pink shell, but these were all too big. And she really, really wanted something with this pink shell, but I talked her into a smaller shell. It's the perfect size and it's adjustable. Thanks for joining us. We hope you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette along with Malabar signing out for now. Bye-bye.